Right, this is metals from ores. What I'm going to look at first is lead ore. Lead ore is a red-brown rock that's been powdered down. An ore is a rock that contains enough metal to make it worth extracting. So there's lead metal in there somewhere. And we're going to put 2 spatulas of that into a crucible. We put 2 spatulas of lead ore, and with that we're going to mix it with this black powder called charcoal or carbon. We're going to mix it up in the crucible. We're going to put it on a pipe clay triangle, which looks like this, that sits on top of the tripod instead of a wire gauze. It allows the heat to be surrounding the bottom of that crucible. And we're going to sprinkle some carbon on the top of that just to keep the heat in. Put a lid on and we light the Bunsen. And we heat that for 10 to 15 minutes. Now what's going to happen is the carbon is going to pinch the oxygen from the lead ore. Lead ore is lead oxide, and the carbon will pinch the oxygen from it, and we should be left with lead. Now I'm going to leave that for 10 to 15 minutes. So I've knocked the Bunsen off. We've let it heat up for 10 to 15 minutes, and what we've ended up with is lead metal. So the carbon has reacted with the oxygen from the lead ore to make carbon dioxide. That's just got out of the crucible, and we're left with pieces of lead at the bottom of this crucible.